Good morning, students. Let's begin with another lecture of chapter 9, the living organisms and their surroundings. Students, in the previous class, you have learned about some terrestrial habitats, and in those we have discussed about the mountains and the desert habitats. Let's begin with the some more terrestrial habitats, and here we have the third one is the forest or the grasslands. Children, forest, you all know about forest, a large area of land covered mainly with the trees and plants. This is known as forest, where large number of animals and the plants are surviving together. And a large area of grass covered land used for grazing animals is known as grassland. But up to some extent, both of these grasslands and forest are having some similar type of situations. So that's why we discussed here in the same way. So the animals found in the forest or grasslands are having some common features, though they are having their special adaptive features also. We'll discuss these in the previous in coming topic. So first of all, the common feature which is present in these animals is the speed. Speed is the most important feature present in the animals found in the grassland or the forest. The reason is that the animals will have to run away from the herbivores which are being hunted by the predators. They have to run fast, as well as the predators also have to run fast to catch their prey. So that's why speed is one of the most important common feature found in the animals found in the forest or grasslands. So let's begin with some, and in the forest or the grassland there are variety of animals found like the lion, tiger, elephant, deer and many more, etc. So today we'll discuss about two most common animal found over there. First one is the adaptation of lion. Lion, as you know, it's a carnivorous animals which eats the flesh of the other animals. It means that it kills and hunt and kills the animals and use them as their food. So that's why it is having some very special adaptive features in it. So let's begin with these. First of all, the lion is a strong, fast and agile animal which can hunt and kill its prey. So the agile means very fast. It is very fast, and the strong animal, as you know, it usually hunt its prey. So another one feature which is present in the lion is that it has long, strong and sharp claws in front of their the front legs to catch its prey. Means it is able to hold its prey, like it will not fall down. So that for this it is having very strong and sharp claws. Another one is, and it also helps to tear the flesh also of the animals. Another one feature is that it has eyes in front of its head, like we have eyes in front of our face or head. So they also have the eyes in front of their head, which enable it to have correct location of its prey. So that's why it is very important feature. Next one is its light brown color. Its body is light brown in color, which enable it to hide in the dry grassland areas so that its prey cannot find it. So that's why it would be easy for lion to catch its prey. So these all are the adaptive features present in the lion. Let's discuss about some special features present in deer also. Like deer is also one of the important animal found over there. So when we talk about deer, we found that deer is a herbivorous animals. In the lion, we have learned it is carnivorous, but deer is a herbivorous animal which usually eats the plant and plant products like fruits, stem, leaves, etc. The parts of the plant it usually eats. So let's discuss about its adaptive features. First one is the deer has eyes on the sides of its head. In lion we have learned the eyes are present in the front of its head. But here in this case the eyes are present on the side of its head. To have to see in all directions means at the same time the deer can see in all the directions so that it can get a correct idea of the predator from which side the predator is coming. So another one adaptive feature is that it has long ears for good hearing. You know, the animals found in the forest or grassland area usually have good sense of hearing. The purpose for this is that the prey can find the correct idea of the even a very small minute sound also the predator coming from by the predator, it can get the idea of the predator and they run away from there. Similarly, in carnivores also the same feature is present for the same purpose only, to get the correct idea of its prey. Another adaptive feature which is found in the deer is that it has, again it also has brown color, likewise lion. So and here also the function is same only, it has brown color which helps it to hide in the dry grassland so that its predator or the lion cannot get the correct idea of it, where it is hiding itself. So next one is the adaptive feature which is here. It has strong teeth for chewing hard plant stems. The teeth are very strong and these are broad also. So these are helping in chewing the hard stem or the other parts of the plants. So in this way we have learned about the adaptive features of deer as well as the lion also, to get the for the better understanding.